If you saw me filming this for the 4th time in a row, no you didn't. Anyways, hi, she's back, finally. Another fashion video. But yeah, I hope you like it. Sorry this intro's awkward. I never film intros because they always end up being awkward. So we're just gonna cut our losses and just move on to the video. Yeah, hope you like it.
And it didn't take forever to find it.
Hey, you can hear me, but you can't see me now. That was so bad. I have done this voiceover like 4 times because I've had trouble with my mic, and now we're here and the joke's not funny anymore. But anyways, this outfit feels very businessy. I don't know, it reminds me a little bit of San Francisco. Yeah, it's got a cool trench coat. That's all you need to know. Okay, before anybody roasts me, I am aware that I look like that one girl from Total Drama Island. However, I kind of like it, you know? It's kind of a vibe. I'll admit it. I'll say it since nobody else seems to be willing to say it. She has a fit, so yeah.
Till love came in on time, on time. Loving is easy. You had me fucked up. It used to be.
Okay, so I kind of really dig this outfit because it's like very minimalist and also very boxy, which like there's something so satisfying about that combination. Also, I'm in love with these shoes. They are the light of my life. I got them for like $30 at a thrift store in San Francisco, and I want to be buried in them. They're like suede and just I love it. Okay, honestly, this might be like my favorite outfit in the whole video. Like something about the skirt and the turtleneck underneath the sweater. It's so... First of all, it was really comfy to wear, and second of all, I just think it looks so cool. Like, I will be wearing this again. Okay, so I am aware that I look a little bit like a substitute teacher, but I do think that I look like a cool substitute teacher. Like, you know, the one that would sort of just be like, oh, do whatever, and like maybe like play a movie on the projector or something.
I don't wanna see you cry. You don't have to feel this emptiness.
I'm gonna be honest, this is one of those outfits where like I have literally nothing to say about it, so I'll just let you enjoy the music, I guess.
Cause I don't wanna feel like I'm not me. And to be honest, I don't even know why I let myself get down.
So when I was filming this video, I couldn't decide if I should put in this outfit or the one before it, so I put in both. But this one's kind of giving me like cosplaying cotton candy vibes with like the blue and pink, you know? Do with this information what you will. I'm so sorry for my dance moves. Alright, just realized that if I get closer to the mic, the audio gets better, so I really like this outfit. Oh, my posture. We are not gonna talk about that. I look a little bit like a stylish Arthur the Aardvark, like a studious but stylish Arthur the Aardvark, and I'm very glad about that, I'll be honest.
Just let me hold you in these arms tonight. I'm lucky to be me, you can see it in my face. Back when I fucked my shit up too many times, why would I let myself get down in the first place?
Fun little story about my appa hat. Actually, a few days ago, my sisters and I were going to get coffee, and the one like barista person like complimented my sister's hat because I made her one, and yeah, I just felt very content felt good about myself. So yeah, that's my little story. Also, yes, I did have to put tape on the sleeve because there's a hole and I don't know how to fix it.
And so she sat me down and told me that I didn't have to cry.
Wow, look at her. She's an edgy skater girl. She wears black nail polish. I'm gonna be honest, last time I tried to skate, I had a mental breakdown in the middle of a public park. So yeah, I am doing so great. Thanks for asking. I need to cut myself off. Okay, I'm cutting myself off now. Congrats! You've made it to the end of the video where I can a horse girl. Yes, these are technically riding pants, I think, but I found them at a thrift store a little bit ago and I just really love the color. I don't love how they fit me, but it's okay. Yeah, I bought them because while retail therapy might not work, I can still convince myself that does work. Anyways, that's the end of this video, I guess. I don't know how to close videos. I guess that's it. Bye.